Hello everyone and welcome to a new video price update based on Elliott Wave analysis for XRP Ripple. What we see on the weekly as a reminder is an impulse in a blue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 making a wave A or potential a wave 1. After that we saw a correction in triangle or as an A, B and a C. However, both scenarios lead us for a more impulse towards the upside after a three waves correction or a triangle, finishing a wave B after the A, finishing the wave B, and we are looking for a wave C as an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, looking further inside the daily chart, we can see that in the daily, we see that we have already started with a 1, a 2, right, for an impulse, and reaching exactly for the 1, reaching exactly the wave 2 fib levels, the common fib levels, our famous green box here between the 0.618 and 0.78, which are the perfect fib levels for a wave F2. Not touching the 886 would be a perfect situation to not invalid this starting of an impulse. Now inside the 4-hour chart we can see also that a pullback has started after creating this 1, 2. We want to see a smaller 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, right? So what we see so far is a very good start, of course, with three waves towards the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we are still looking a little bit towards the downside for a second wave to hitting those fib levels, the common fib levels in the green box again, with the prices mentioned next to it. So we are expecting, of course, a 5 waves towards the upside in a wave 3, right? Therefore, now if we move to the 1 hour, much more precise inside this wave, we can see that, alright, we can see that, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay, but now where is the wave 2, right? So also a beautiful indicator here, we can see a gap forming inside the XRP on the 1 hour. So this opened the possibility to retrace down to fill this gap and then move up, which is perfect because it's also the position of this gap is between the fib levels of a wave 2, right? So that would be a perfect situation filling those fib levels, right? Now, if we look further, we can see exactly a 1, a 2, 3, 4, and potentially 5. Now, is that good enough to say, okay, this could be an impulse? Of course not. We need still an A, B, C, 3 corrective waves to see it towards the downside. However, I still think that this could be even tend to be more corrective in that case, where we see an A and a B and a C, right, towards the upside. So that possibility is still open, of course, and since we did not touch even the 0.38 for a wave 2, that means this is still one wave, right? So far, this could be one wave or even a B, and a C towards the upside, okay? And then after that, we might see a downside again to hit other fib levels or even to take the low again. We're gonna read this later on. However, so far, we are still looking for a retracement, right? If we see a continuation towards the upside, that would not be a good indicator. Actually, it could be an indicator of a corrective wave, and then we are looking back to the downside. And the opposites, in the opposite scenario, where we look for a retracement, if a beautiful retracement happens, then we can consider this as 1, 2, and we are looking for an impulsive wave 3 towards the upside. So as you can see in this case scenario, the things are working vice versa. Now, if we see higher prices, that means a bearish scenario. Where we see a lower prices, that would mean a bullish scenario, right? So now be careful, of course, guys, for the gap. Now the gap could be filled now or after the correction. So it's not a must that it should go down directly towards the gap, right, to close it. So this keeps the things open. I would suggest to watch this price action now, see what's gonna happen, right, and then start to take a decision for a trade based on what happens, bearish or bullish, right? So that was it for XRP. I hope that you liked the update. If you did, please press the like button and help me to grow with the channel, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.